So yes, as I was saying, ever since I got vaccinated, my immune system has not been okay, and I'm worried about that. I honestly don't know what to do to boost my immune system. I tried taking multivitamins, but it's not working. Guys, I'm so sick that even this filter can show that I'm sick. My eyes are so red, but we're not them. So we have chicken necks as well. I didn't tell you. This is a chicken neck. And these are the chicken feet. Do you guys eat chicken feet? Let me show you. Chicken feet are so nice. They're my favorite. So yeah, if you ever think of getting vaccine, COVID vaccine, think twice, because you are going to be sick. Trust me when I tell that you are going to be sick. The after effects of the whole thing. This is pap and a chicken heart. A bit of chili. Guys, I'm trying to deal with flu.